Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the app is up to date and your device is unlocked. This prevents sync issues. Once done, open Google Authenticator and find the specific account entry. Don't tap yet. Make sure you have the account email or service name handy for accurate labeling. Sometimes services use similar names. Now long press or tap the three-dot menu next to the account. That opens the edit options. Stay focused, because making the edit while signed out can break 2FA access. You'll now perform the rename. Select Edit or Rename from the menu and place a concise, unique label. This helps future identification. Once you type the new name, adjust the account identifier field if available. This is useful when multiple accounts exist for one service. Then tap Save. Make sure the time-based code shown still refreshes every 30 seconds and matches any verification request from the service. If the code is wrong, check device clock sync before proceeding. Finally, verify the change by performing a sign-in with the renamed entry. This confirms you updated the correct token. Once done, if the code is rejected, immediately check your device clock settings and sync to network time. Many authenticator errors stem from clock drift. If that fails, use backup codes or re-enroll the account using the service's 2FA setup flow. Make sure to update any documentation or password manager notes so your new label is recognized by your team or future you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.